Dear student, welcome to this online session of the subject CAD CAM and CE. Today in this session we are going to complete our unit 7, that is what will be the tooling for CNC machine. So we will see the first bit, that is the tool magazine. Friends, you have already know that what are the advantages of CNC machines. In that we have learned that in CNC machines we can produce number of operation in a single setting of the workpiece. Means you can do all the operations once the workpiece will be set. Now to achieve such types of advantages we required some tool magazines and automatic tool changer. So with the very first bit, it is the tool magazine. So what is tool magazine? Tool magazine we can call it as it is a storage device of the different tools. Means it can store different number of tools of same diameter or of different diameter, of same length or of different length. For example, you can store a drill bit, a boring tool, end mill cutter of same diameters, of different diameters, of same length or of different length. Here the manipulator or the automatic tool changer is used to complete the loading and unloading of the tools and deliver the tools between the tool magazine and spindle head. There will be one magazine, consider there will be one magazine. In that magazine different number of tools will be stored. Second, there will be the machine spindle in which we have to mount the tool. So there should be one device, it will be the manipulator or the automatic tool changer that will remove the tool from the spindle. It will mount on the tool magazine. Again it will remove the tool from the tool magazine and it will mount on the spindle. So in the tool magazine duplication is also possible. Even the one-off tools can be removed by using the ATC. So we will see the very first type of tool magazine. You will get the picture very much clear in this. It will be the chain type of tool magazine. In chain type of tool magazine, we can mount 100 up to 120 tools. Different tools will be identified by their locations. The positioning of the magazine for next tool transfer will take place during the machining operations. So we will see in the diagram. So this is a chain type. The name chain type is given because it is arranged in the chain form. These are the different types of tool adapters in which we are mounting the different tools. So these adapters will be named numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in this adapter we are mounting the tools. Suppose in adapter 1 we are mounting the drilling tool bit of diameter 20 mm, so it will be called as the T01. Tool magazine tools are represented by the letter T and the number is 1, so we are calling it as T01. Suppose we are mounting this at T04, we are mounting end mill cutter, so the end mill cutter will be called as T04. And in somewhat 12 or 13 number adapter we are mounting boring tool, so that it will be called as the T013. So it will be identified by their locations. Now you can call any tool, you can call this one tool, you can call this directly 13 number tool, you can call this tool, you can call this tool, as per the operations that are required to be performed. Different jobs may be required different operations. As per that you can change the sequence of tools. How you can change the sequence of tools? If you have to change the sequence of tools, you have to call that tool number in the part program. Suppose I require the first tool, so I am calling M06, that is a tool change, and it will be T01, so I am calling it will be T01. Suppose I am requiring T04, so I am calling after T01 I am calling T04. Suppose after that tool number 20 I am requiring, so I am calling T220. So in this way I am calling the tools as per the different operations that are required. Now we will go for the next type of tool magazine. It will be the drum type of tool magazine. The drum type of tool magazine, it is also called as circular magazine or drum type. It can hold up to 30 tools. The commercial name it is called as carousel, which is similar flat disc holding type. So you will see in the diagram. So this is the drum type of tool magazine, a circular magazine. These are the number of tools. 1 to 30 tools can be mounted. This drum can be rotated in clockwise and anti-clockwise to achieve the shortest movement for the tool change. What is the advantage of this type of dump type of tool magazine? In this dump type of tool magazine, tool changing time will be very much less as compared to the chain type. Movement of chain take more time. Movement of drum will be very less time. So it will be very less to change the tool. In chain type, space required will be more. In drum type, space required will be less. It is a flexible type of tool magazine. So these are the some advantage of drum type of tool magazine. Now how we are changing the tool? Now we have to change. Suppose consider a machine. If you have to change the tool of the machine, what you are doing? You are using a check key, or you are using a line key. You are losing the nuts, removing the spindle, and mounting the another spindle manually. In this type of tool magazine, in this type of CNC machines, also you have to change the tool. Now how it will be changed? You are not doing it manually. We are using some devices that is called as the automatic tool changer. What automatic tool changer will do? Automatic tool changer will remove the tool from the spindle. It will mount in its location. Then whatever the tool that has been called in the program, that tool will be indexed. It will remove the tool from that position. Again it will mount into the spindle. So transfer of tool from spindle to tool magazine and from tool magazine to spindle is done by this automatic tool changer. Obviously by using this ATC we are improving the production and tool carrying capacity. ATC changes the tool very much fast, quickly, reducing the non-productive time. Generally it is used to improve the capacity of machine to work with number of tools. It is also used to change the broken tools. So how it will be formed? So in the part programs you are defining the sequence of the tool. T01, you are calling the tools, means T01, after T01 you are calling T06, T07, different tools you are calling. As per that the tools will be changed. How tools will be changed? First, this is the ATC arm, this is a collet, and these are the tools. So you can see that there is one tool here mounted, there are no tool mounted in this location. So this is considered as the machine spindle and this is considered as the tool magazine. So you can see that the first what will happen, the ATC will grip both the part, then it will be removal of the tool from the spindle as well as from tool magazine. Now you can see that the green position is here, violet position is here. Now it will circularly rotate. It will rotate. You can see that here it is rotated, exchanging the positions. Now the collet in which there is no tool, it is mounted in the tool magazine, and the collet which is having the tool, it is mounted in the spindle. Then it will be insert the tool in the spindle and magazine, and then it will reset the position. So in this way it will change the tool. So I will again explain, say that first it is a gripping. First it will hold this tool of the spindle and hold the tool of the magazine. Second, it will remove the tool from the spindle and magazine. Third, it will rotate and exchange. After that it will again insert the tool in the tool magazine and spindle, and after that it is reset and that tool will be available for machining. So these are the advantages. Non-productive time is reduced. Tool is located very much rigidly as we are using pneumatic pressure to locate the tools. Proper machining accuracy will be there as the mounting of the tool will be good. Next it will be the automatic pallet changer. Now in the previous cases what we are doing, what the operators are required in the CNC machines to just load and unload the workpiece and to observe the parameters either it is going in correct or wrong way. So we have seen again one advantage that the CNC machines can be unattended for long hours. We can there is no operator required to attend that machines. It will operate automatically. But the operators were required to change the workpiece, one workpiece, two workpiece, third workpiece, in this way. Now that's also been introduced by using this automatic pallet changer. Automatic pallet changer. In this automatic pallet changer, there are a number of fixtures aligned in the bed, like a conveyor. There will be one conveyor. So you will see in this diagram. So there will be one conveyor, and number of workpieces are mounted on the conveyor, and this conveyor will be indexed as per the machining time. So you can see that here this is the machining center 1, machining center 2, machining center 3. So this conveyor will travel from one machining center to another machining center, and the operation time will be defined. Suppose it is required